Thai man gave an interview to Kayosad Online after posting a video clip of a very large python that had slithered up onto the roof beam, which gained a lot of attention. He said that he saw the snake on the evening of August 29th. Initially, he and his girlfriend were sitting on the second floor of the house with their 2 cats. When it was time to sleep, his girlfriend took the cats to put them in cages on the ground floor. When they looked up, they saw the snake draped over the roof beam, which shocked them greatly because it was a very large python. They quickly called the Phetchabun City municipality to send officers to help capture it. The snake was approximately 4 meters long and weighed about 30 kilograms. It's believed that it entered the house targeting the cats as prey, as they had previously lost some of their pet cats. Thailand, with its diverse and vibrant ecosystem, is home to a wide range of wildlife, including numerous snake species. While many of these creatures are a natural part of the environment, their intrusion into residential areas poses significant risks and challenges. The presence of snakes in homes not only creates a potential danger to residents, but also complicates local wildlife management and public health efforts. Thailand is home to several venomous snake species, including the king cobra, the Malayan pit viper, and the coral snake. These snakes can deliver venomous bites that may cause severe injury or even death if not treated promptly. The venom of these snakes can lead to symptoms such as intense pain, swelling, bleeding disorders, and neurological issues. In rural areas where access to medical facilities may be limited, a snake bite can be particularly life-threatening. Even non-venomous snakes can pose a risk. While their bites are typically not harmful, they can cause significant distress and lead to secondary infections. Additionally, the fear and anxiety associated with encountering a snake can have psychological impacts on residents, especially children and the elderly. The intrusion of snakes into homes can disrupt daily life in significant ways. Snakes often seek shelter in residential areas to escape extreme weather conditions or to find food. Their presence can lead to property damage, as they may invade stored goods, damage electrical wiring, or create nests in undesirable locations. The danger posed by snakes entering residences in Thailand is a complex issue that intertwines health risks, property concerns, and ecological impacts. While the presence of snakes can be unsettling and potentially hazardous, a proactive and informed approach can mitigate these risks. By enhancing public awareness, improving wildlife management strategies, and fostering a harmonious coexistence between humans and nature, Thailand can address the challenges associated with snake encounters and ensure the safety and well-being of its residents.